Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, Blooming Living. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the top 5 reasons why a jade roller should be an essential part of your beauty routine. Let's get started. Reason 1. Improved circulation. Reason number 1. Improved circulation. Jade rollers, with their smooth, cool surface, can stimulate blood flow as you gently massage your skin. Reason 2. Reduced puffiness. Reason number 2 is reduced puffiness. The cooling effect of jade can help alleviate morning puffiness, especially around the eyes, leaving you looking refreshed. Reason 3. Enhanced product absorption. Reason number 3. Enhanced product absorption. After applying your favorite skincare products, a jade roller can assist in better absorption, ensuring that those serums and creams do their magic. Reason 4. Relaxation and stress reduction. Reason number 4. Relaxation and stress reduction. The soothing massage action of the jade roller can help you unwind, relieving tension and stress that may affect your skin's appearance. Reason 5. Lymphatic drainage. Reason number 5. Lymphatic drainage. Some believe that using a jade roller can aid in lymphatic drainage, potentially reducing toxins and promoting a more even skin tone. Incorporating a jade roller into your beauty routine can offer a multitude of benefits. Whether it's for improved circulation, reduced puffiness, enhanced product absorption, relaxation, or the potential for lymphatic drainage, it's a tool worth considering. Remember, results may vary, but consistency and pairing the jade roller with a good skincare regimen are key. Thank you for joining us today. Stay beautiful. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Blooming Living. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.